Hello guys, today's edition I'm going to teach you a very simple food. It's called Mpotompoto. It's a Ghanaian food. Actually, it's a very easy food to make, and to start it I'm gonna show you gradually, procedure by procedure, to learn how to cook this easy, very delicious food. So to start the Ghana Mpotompoto, you need your cocoyam. It's chopped little pieces, washed. You need your stockfish. I put the stockfish in water to make it very soft. Now you have your shrimp, your garlic, your onion, and pepper. I'm gonna blend it together. Of course, you need your palm oil, and you need your geisha, fresh tomatoes. So these are the main ingredients for Mpotompoto. So at this time I'm gonna put my chopped cocoyam in it. Okay, it's very simple food, like I told you. If you are new to my channel, go to Global Kitchen, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. Then we're gonna put our chopped shrimp, garlic, onion, and pepper. You just have to put it on it. And this is our stockfish. So we gotta put our stockfish in it because it contains salt. We don't have to add any other salt to it because it's already stocked with fish. Okay, you're gonna put it on it. Then your fresh tomatoes. Leave it to boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna add an onion to it, add a little bit of water to it. What you have to do is to just stir them so that the ginger, onion, and everything will be, very deep in it. It's local spices. Okay, so you're gonna leave it to boil. So fellas, at this point you have to remove your tomatoes and blend it, and your onion, and leave the rest to boil. Then the next one is you have to take your geisha fish, you put it in, then you stir, you give it a stir. Okay, still you're gonna leave it on to just boil. Sorry for the noise at the background, I'm doing laundry. Okay, so at this time we've already blended our fresh tomatoes and onion. Then you pour it in, give it a stir. Just have to cover it to let it boil over another about 10 minutes. First, at this time I'm gonna put my red oil in. I like mine mashed, so most of the time when I'm stirring it, I just so after putting my red oil, just give it a stir a little bit. So guys, our Mpihuu or Mpotompoto is done. This is how it looks like. Well, some might call it like it looks like porridge. Yes, it looks like porridge. Very healthy. So guys, everybody can make Mpihuu or Mpotompoto at home. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Global Kitchen. Subscribe, tap the bell for notification. Thank you.